Today we're joined by Dr. Dennis Saccuzzo, who's going to share with us his thoughts about what he feels is likely to appear on the essay questions on the February 2024 bar exam in California, based on what's been on the last few exams and what the trends are.
Hello, this is Dr. Dennis Saccuzzo, and what we're going to do today is making predictions for the February 2024 bar exam. Now, I know we haven't made predictions in about a year. We decided to hold back. Some people were just studying the ones that we would put up there. So we didn't want to see that happen. You really do have to study everything. I'll give you a hint as to what I would do if I knew or thought something was going to be on the bar. So our first prediction is PR, of course. PR is always going to be on there. You always have to be prepared for it. You have to be prepared for it as a full-blown and also as a crossover. The next prediction that we have is wills, trusts in a community property setting. That means that you need to know how wills and trusts law, but you're also going to need to know what is separate property, what is community property, and be able to work through a problem.
I know you've often said in the past that the subject that's tested on the performance test on one bar is frequently a signal that that's going to be a topic on the next bar exam. Well, on the July bar, the performance test was pure community property, and it was a very narrow topic in community property. It was about what happens with the appreciation or the profits thrown off by a separate property business during the course of the marriage. When does the community have an interest in this case, stock appreciation? Could have been profits from a business. That was the whole topic of the performance test.
Now, our third prediction is contract remedies. And you got to watch the call of the question. Does the question say what rights does someone have, or does it say what rights and remedies? If they say what rights and remedies, that means they really want you to spend about 20 minutes writing about the remedies, at least, and that you should cover all of the major contract remedies.
On the last bar, we saw a remedies hypothetical. It was pure equitable remedies, heavily testing constructive trust and equitable lien. They don't so often do that.
Now, our fourth prediction is civil procedure. And I think you should try to know both Fed and California. And our final prediction is evidence, same to Fed, California. So what I would do if I thought that some subjects were more likely than others is I would do more issue spotting in the predicted subjects so that I could see more fact patterns. I could see the face of more fact patterns.
It should go without saying, but I'm just going to remind people that anybody's predictions, Dr. Saccuzzo's, anybody else that you see out on YouTube or in your bar review course who makes predictions about the bar exam is simply giving you their best guess based on the pattern of testing. And nobody really knows what's going to be on that February bar exam except the bar examiners, and they're not going to share it with us. So we offer this to sort of focus you on getting ready for bar prep and making it seem more real and more doable. But of course, you have to be ready for all the subjects.
And with that, I'm going to leave you to work with this, and I hope it helps you.